If you're looking for a modern wheelchair accessible van with low miles, premium comfort, and one of the cleanest in-floor systems out there, this one is definitely worth a look. Today we're checking out this 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L, equipped with a Rolex automatic side entry in-floor conversion. It's designed for both style and everyday usability. This van features a sleek black exterior that gives it a clean, upscale look. With just over 19,000 miles, it's a low mileage option that still has a lot of life left in it. Now let's talk about accessibility, because this is where it really shines. This Pacifica comes with a Rolex automatic in-floor ramp that deploys effortlessly with the push of a button. The ramp and door measurements give you plenty of space for most wheelchairs and power chairs. And when you're done, it tucks neatly beneath the floor, keeping the interior wide open and clutter-free. Inside, you'll find a black leather interior that feels modern and refined. One of the standout features here is flexibility. Both the driver and passenger seats are removable. That means you can configure this van to fit your exact mobility needs, whether you're riding or driving. Under the hood, you've got a dependable 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering smooth, reliable performance perfect for both city driving and longer trips. What really makes this van stand out is the combination of low mileage, sleek design, and that in-floor ramp system. It's practical, clean, and built for real everyday use. So if you're interested in this van or want to explore more mobility options, give us a call or visit our website. We're at 800-431-3183 or AutoMobilityStore.com. We'd be happy to help you find the right fit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below.